Alright guys, so this is literally going to be my third video on my clutch. The first one being the one when I first done the clutch after I burnt it out. The second one was when I realized I may have put in the judder spring in the wrong way around. And this, the third video, is literally going to be about the clutch plates, the friction plates. One of you guys pointed out on one of the comments on my videos that the last plate that went in was actually meant to go in different from the rest of them. And I went back to my videos and I had a close look, and it turns out to be right. You were right. The last friction plate that goes in actually goes in at a different angle than the rest of them. And I looked at the video and I thought, nah, this I can't let this go. I'm gonna have to take this off all over again, get that last friction plate and put it in the right way around, and then hopefully all my issues with the clutch lever and whatnot, the free play, hopefully that will get sorted. So that's what this video is about today. I've had enough of draining out the oil, so this time what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and lean it backwards onto the ground, onto the sliders on the other side. And this tire, I've got this new tire. Well, it's not new, it's just a part one. I bought it cheap because of this. As you can see, I've got a puncture there. Obviously I can't ride with that, so I'm gonna have to put this on, get this put on soon. It's Bridgestone Batlax. I had them on my R6 and they were decent, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower the bike onto the slider, being very careful. Nice and gentle. And there you go. Nice and gentle. And there you go. Alright guys, so got the bike tilted over now, so we're going to give it a couple minutes for all the oil to just drain down to the bottom, and then we'll start taking the cover off. Alright, just to show you guys, we've got the bike leaning totally on the slider itself. We've got the tip of the indicator there just touching the carpet. We've got the fairings as well, that's just touching the carpet, but all the weight itself is on the slider itself. We've also got full clearance of all the pegs, as you can see. That's just touching the carpet as well, so that's all good. Alright guys, so that's just the usual procedure. I've put a little rag underneath the bike just in case we get any spillages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take the cover off. I'm going to speed this up. If you do want to watch this done in real time, you can watch my other videos. But once I've done that, I'm going to go back to real time and we'll see what we've got underneath the clutch cover. Oh guys, so after all that, it turns out that the last friction plate is incorrectly. So the last time I opened up the clutch to sort out the judder spring to put that back in the right way, I must have also put the last friction plate in correctly as well. If you can see though, down there is all the other friction plates. If you could just make it out, it's going all the way down, as you can see. And the last one, which is this one, is just here and it's on its own and it doesn't go all the way down. So but I had to open it up. I couldn't have that doubt in the back of my mind, so I had to double check. So hopefully guys, that is the last of my clutch issues. Until next time, But yeah, hopefully you watch these videos and you don't make the same mistakes that I've been making, and hopefully it helps you out. If it did, let me know. Peace.